To be honest, how many writing tools have you tried that were more distracting than helpful despite their claims to help you finish your novel? Yes, exactly the same. NovelCrafter seemed like the solution when I first heard about it. An artificial intelligence tool designed specifically for novelists? Perfect, but there's a catch. And before you hit sign up, let's talk about it. So NovelCrafter basically mixes writing software and AI assistance. You get a story builder, character sheets, plot timelines, all in one clean interface. It's kind of like if Scrivener and ChatGPT had a baby that actually liked fiction. When I tested it, the AI was surprisingly creative with dialogue prompts and character arcs. You can literally ask it to expand a scene, and it keeps your tone consistent, but here's where it gets real. Some users on Reddit mentioned performance issues, like the site freezing when projects get long. On the flip side, Twitter writers love how it keeps their story details organized, like remembering your character's eye color or that weird side plot you added 5 chapters ago. Here's a quick chart to break it down side by side. So, here's the deal. NovelCrafter has a ton of potential, especially if you're deep into fiction writing. But if you want something super stable and offline friendly, Scrivener still holds up. Try the free version first, see how it fits your flow. And check out my next video. I dive into a few new AI tools comparison in detail. Hit that like button, and I'll catch you there.